Today's mini lesson features how to add by breaking apart add-ins as tens and ones. The breaking apart tens and ones strategy is basically putting the tens together and the ones together. So my first number that I'm going to add is 47, and I'm going to add that to 55. Essentially what I'm thinking is I am putting my tens together. I guess that's going over there too. And I am adding my ones. So instead of 47, I'm putting my tens together and my ones. So I will have in the end 10, 20, 30, 40. So I had 40 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is 90. So I had 90 tens. And then my ones, I put those together. And I have 7 ones plus 5 ones equals 12. I will take 90 plus 12, and that equals 102. I'll show it another way in the next slide. Here we are with a frame to show how to break apart the add-ins to find the sum of tens for tens and ones. So I'm put boxes around the tens and little clouds around the ones. So basically we're thinking about expanded form. So I know that 12 is 10 and a 2, and 48 is 40 and 8. If your child is having a hard time still figuring that out, have them draw the longs and cubes so they can draw it out like that. So then I made the boxes. So you take the 40 and the 10, add that together, and that's 50, and add the ones, 2 plus 8, which is 10. Then I'm going to take this number and this number, transfer them down here. 50 plus 10 is 60, so the sum of 12 plus 48 is 60. Some of your children may not need to break it apart and do step by step like this, but this is a way to show and they can explain their thinking. In tonight's homework, your child might need to break apart the tens and the ones using the vertical addition. This is how you would do it. You'd think about 20 plus 7, 40 plus 8, because that is 27, and 48 in expanded form. Then it shows that they're going to add the numbers vertically. We talked in class how we're going to add like this. So 20 plus 40 is 60, 7 plus 8 is 15. I'm going to put 60 and 15 together. That equals 75. Some students might not be ready for that, so they're going to have to break this up in another step. So they can say 60 plus 10 is 70, plus 5 is 75. I know many are waiting for the traditional way of adding two-digit numbers with regrouping, so this is getting us close enough because basically we're taking our tens, which is 60, plus our ones, which is 15. Big thing that we want the kids to know is when we were in school and everything, we learned about carrying. And we usually say we carry a 1, but we really want the kids to know that it's a 10 that we're carrying over. And then it becomes a 70. So, and this 5 stays here in the ones.